So we're here at gotomath.com. We're evaluating limits analytically, and of course we're in this section here, section 2. In this particular one, we are going to end up factoring, but when we do the direct substitution, plugging 5 directly in, we end up getting a 25 minus 25 over 25 minus 25, which is 0 over 0. So that tells us that we probably need to try to factor this thing and cancel like factors. And let's actually focus on this part of the screen. Okay, let's hit the help button here, and let's see what's going on. I factored the numerator, and of course we end up with x minus 5 times x plus 5, and you're probably wondering, well, what's going on here? Well, what happened is I ended up factoring out a 1/5, but I went ahead and brought the 1/5 out in front of the limit and got it out of the way. Okay, so that's what happened. That's where this came from. Just factor a 5 out, and we end up with 1/5, and then just go ahead and pull it out here to the front and get it out of the way. Now we have rewritten the limit, and of course this limit is equal to the one we have rewritten. But now keep in mind, really there should be an equal sign here to the left of the 1/5, saying that this is equal to our original limit still, right? Well, now we got to the point where we can finally do direct substitution, and we go ahead and do that, and we end up with 5 plus 5, plugging 5 in for x, over 5. That would be this 1/5 multiplied by, right? So it looks to me like we're going to end up getting a 10 over 5, which is going to be a half, or I mean not a half, but 2. Anyway, so this is how the steps go. You plug the number in, do direct substitution in the very beginning. If you get 0 over 0, right? Let's try factoring if we can. We see there's a difference of squares. Cancel our like factors out, then do direct substitution. Of course, in this problem here, we had to do something a little different, and that was factored a 5 out of the denominator, and we had 1/5 and brought it out front, and then did our direct substitution, and there you go. Okay, promise I won't repeat this again, but you should be catching on by now.